this.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Truck. Is that a truck? Oh, what's this?
And what is this? I got two trucks. He brought these two toys for me.
Oh, I bet you. Yeah, I bet you if we look some more, I bet you there's some more stuff.
Okay, look.
Okay, leave it here. Okay. Stickers. Okay, put it up here. Let's take a look. Let's look around some more. Okay, well, we'll bring it inside. Let's look. Are we going to go look? Keep it? Yeah, because I don't see any candy in there.
I heard him over by the window, too.
And there's another one for Corby.
That's okay.
I got that one.
No, I think those ones are more baby ones.
Well, maybe you can share those.
We'll look in there later.
Ooh, he brought me another toy.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's keep looking, Keaton. Come on, let's leave that there. We'll keep looking.
Well, put him right here so he can bring me more toys.
No, he's not going to bring you. Remember, he went away until... Ooh.
It's so good.
He goes away until next year, so we got to look around. Do you think he can get in the... over here?
Keaton,
Corbin's looking.
did you look over by the window? Because I heard him by the window.
Did you... Where's the window?
By the window by your room, maybe? Or over here? I heard him over here.
Refrigerator open and close, Daddy. Did the refrigerator open and close? Look in the fridge. Look in the fridge. Let's look in the fridge.
No.
Pull it out. Ooh,
Let's look for more toys in.
Hey, keep looking.
Well, Keaton, keep looking.
Over
We
here.
can go back to this later. Let's keep looking.
We'll bring this in the house to look at it all.
Let's keep looking and
Keep
see.
looking.
Hey,
Go
let's
look.
keep looking.
Oh, look, I think Corbin just found something.
He's got your fishing pole.
Yeah, but he was just trying to move that towel.
Look and see under that towel.
Corby, what's under there? Ooh. Where else is it? Is there any other good hiding places out in there?
Maybe in your tent? Did you look in your tent? Look in your tent.
Yeah, they are.
All right.
I'm looking for toys.
Did he bring... Look at that, Keaton. Did he bring you a slushie maker? There's a slushie maker in there.
But I want to blow bubbles.
97-cent bubbles.
Not me.
A fishing game?